A very good afternoon and evening to everyone. So just going to take a recap of what's happened today so far. And it has been a relatively quiet session, subdued ahead of that FOMC rate decision tomorrow. We are trading in slight minor positive territory, however, and that's with a bit of US data we saw earlier. So consumer confidence came in fairly in line. However, we did see a bit of a beat on the new home sales and also the Richmond Fed number. Now, in terms of fixed income today, we saw the 2-year note auction. So this week we have the 2s, 5s and 7s being auctioned by the US Treasury. Today's auction showed pretty decent results really, so pretty strong demand, and the yield today stopping on the when issued. But in terms of commentary today, we've seen the EU officials said they may soften their 2013 budget targets, so that'll be an interesting development. And we've also had comments from the EBA. They're going to ask banks how they're going to refinance without the help of the ECB. That was being run in the German paper FT Deutschland. Now, looking ahead, the focus for today will be on the Apple's earnings report, which are due after market, so that's at 9:30 London time, so half an hour after the Wall Street closing bell, and that'll be keenly in focus. Obviously, if there's a large miss there, could determine sentiment going into tomorrow, but likewise, if there's a massive beat again, they could see a bit of a bid tone on the open tomorrow morning. Now, as well, at 9:30 we have the API inventory numbers. And tomorrow, as already mentioned, we've got the FOMC rate decision, but we've also got the Fed projections, which are an hour and a half after that decision, and then we've got the press conference from Bernanke. This is the quarterly projection and press conference from the FOMC. But for the time being, that's enough from me. We'll have another update for you tomorrow morning with all the developments that have happened this evening. But in the meantime, have yourself a very pleasant evening.